Welcome to another episode of Jail Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're on our way down to Tillsonburg, Ontario to Backcountry 4x4 where I'm going to pick up a new bumper made by Poison Spyder. I'm going to be replacing my Rugged Ridge steel bumper and I'm going to do the install, so stick with me for that. I don't know how they feel about recording in the inside of their store, so the next time you see me, I'll be packing my bumper up into my Jeep and taking it home for install. So I'm on my way home and you can see the bumper is all boxed up and in the back of the Jeep. Stay tuned for the install. So here is the finished look. There is no holes for the license plate bracket, so what I did is had to put it into the skid plate. But I have one that folds up because that hangs down really low, and when I'm going to go over a trail, it's going to catch on that. So all I got to do is just raise it like this when I go on the trails, and it's going to clear everything. Doesn't that look awesome? Way nicer than the Rugged Ridge that I had on there. Really nice finish and really good quality workmanship. Not to mention, look at that Spyder. That is friggin' awesome. Love it. Here's a place where I can mount a winch if and when I do. And there you go. That's it for the install for the Poison Spyder bumper kit. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit that bell button so you get a notification of my next video. Not sure what my next video is going to be, but I'm going to be uploading one every Sunday, so definitely have a look out for that. Until next time, guys, thanks for joining me, and keep your rubber side down. See you again. Bye-bye.